Drop it.
And what's going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, I'm in the trade, 2 contracts in, and Q played off the bounce. We are moving on up to the east side. How you guys doing? Happy FOMC day. Junior, what's up? Lewis, what's up? Chris, what's up? Okay, we're up pretty decent on this trade. Rashard, what's up? Mad, what's up? Bumblebee, good morning. Giovanni, good morning. All right, so let's just take a look at the trade really quick. All right, we're up nearly, well, yeah, we're up $2,000. You see the 200 right there? Look at guys, I just played a bounce off of this, and we got a ribbon change here. And yeah, I'm looking at this, I'm like, gotta respect the 200 always, right? So what I'm going to do is close the position. I could, wait, guys, I can close the position and or I just set my stop, right? And protect my entry. But I've been in this trade for, oh, good God, 15 minutes or so, right? So is it going to break the 200? Let's just respect it. I'm going to take the profit. You guys want to see me take the profit? Nice 2K. Nice 2K profit. You guys want to see that? Good morning, Anita, DeYoung, Chris. Good morning, guys. You guys want to see that profit taken? Yes, we got the usual suspects in here. Take it. Yep. You guys want to see the profit taken? Oh, no, it's like, take it, Gabe. All right. This is what's going to happen then, right? In order for me to take the profit, what I'm going to do is I'll set my stuff here, and then I'm going to bring it right under Excel right there. You guys happy with that? Right under Excel right there. So if it stops me out, it stops me out. I'm just going to let it go, right? So I'm happy either way. And that's how you make money. That's simple. That's how we make money. So that's my stop. We're going to see what happens. Stops me out. Anyways, Gilbar says, I'll take that. Hell yeah, we'll take that. All right. Counter trend trade. Yes. It was a bounce off a level. It was pretty obvious. Let me explain to you guys why I saw it to be pretty obvious. We had basically just, oh, well, we got to remove the text there. Let's do that there. All right, so right here, this here told me everything I needed to know, especially after a very aggressive move. Right, that told me everything I needed to know. So it was like, all right, let's go for it. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Okay, so my stop's right here. If it stops me out, yay. If not, then there are some levels I could target. I could target just under the 200 there, or I could target the next level above it. That's going to be here. That's going to be at 19,079. Guys, it's FOMC, so I'm probably going to get stopped out. There you go, got stopped out. All right, cool. That's it. So now I just hang out until the next trade design. That's it. I just hang out until the next trade design. That's all we're doing, okay? Let me go ahead and get my order out the way there. So, it's tomorrow, that's right. They start today, but then it's tomorrow. But they start today. The old men meet up today, right? So, now here's the thing. The trade design is still in fact down. You do have an entry here, right? And the argument would be like, well, Gabe, you played counter trend. Yeah, and then we sort of kind of got like a rejection from here. So, I don't know. How would I do this? You know what? If I'm unsure, just sit on my hands. How about that? Let's just sit on our hands, guys. All right. How you guys all doing? How y'all doing today? How y'all doing today? Actually, the old man come on TV tomorrow. That sort of kind of changes the way we play today, right? Yes, sir. Okay. You guys are well aware that we got our alerts back in the Discord here. I want you guys to go ahead and check that out. We have futures alerts, we have options, 4-hour daily crypto, we have crypto alerts, we have forex alerts, we have everything. We have everything for everyone, right? Let's see, Mad Mellow. Had my protein shake, feeling extra good this morning. There you go, Matt Mello. Nice to see that. So let's go ahead and see what we got here on some alerts here. We got the Qs on the longs. TQQQ. Long. Oh, this is interesting. Let's see what else we have. We have Snap going long. NVIDIA going long. There are no interesting DMs there, man. Oh, well, yeah. All these guys. But, okay. Let's get back to the charts here. Okay, so now we have a trade design up. Again, guys, we want to just take our trade designs on candle close. Now, we have something interesting here where we have a level, and we also have the 200 right there. So this is going to be an interesting trade. We do have RSI strength here, showing potentially crossing into bullishness. I don't know. I think I would have to wait for something to break above the 200 there, right? It's a new trade design. I think we're going to have to wait for something to break up over there. Not sure. What do you guys think, huh? To see the tiny alerts in Discord, go to your options, check new channels. All right, let's see. We're going to go ahead and see if we get this break here. Ask someone in the Discord. There you go, Dupont. Let's see. Trying to... All right, come back a little bit. Come back a little bit. All right, I'm just going to go in right here. 2 contracts in. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Of course, we got to go ahead, set the stop. I'll go ahead and discount my risk. We can discount the risk here. Once again, at the Excel line here. So I'll discount my risk right there. And we're just going to let the trade develop. If it stops me out, stops me out. All right. And let's see what happens. Yeah, I know the 200's always going to be trouble. Just figured I'll take it here. The 200 is always going to be trouble. And so where would I take profit? My trade profit's probably going to be at the 1-to-1. It should be the 1-to-1 right there. At the very least right there, right? So let me go ahead and set this here. All right, guys, my trade is set. My trade is set. My trade plan is set. I think for a lot of you, if you want to improve your trading, then go ahead, wait for a trade design, set your risk, set your target, walk away. That's all you need to do. If you get stopped out, you get stopped out. If you hit profit, you hit profit. You know, what I get from a lot of traders when they do one-on-ones with me is, oh, yeah, you know, I set my take profit, and I hit my take profit, and then when I look back and rant some more, like, no, you're never going to be able to maximize a trade like that, guys. Ever. Okay? Your job is to get your 1-to-1s, 1.5-to-1s, because when we're risking 1%, that's 1% to 1.5%. And that's all you need for financial freedom. Again, start with 5,000, you approach $1 million within 2 years, 2 to 3 years, right? So it's some wild number like that. What was the trade he just took? I took NQ to the upside. That's the trade I'm in right now. Okay, just 2 contracts in. We had a big pop into the 200, got rejected. Just gonna hang out here, not gonna manage to trade much. Just it is what it is. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Right? Why did you set your take profit where you did? My take profit's where it's at because there's a level there. And there's also Excel. So there's Excel on the level. Let me show you. Right there, you guys see if we zoom on in, we have Excel and a level. So this is my stop. And then my take profit is at a 1-to-1. Okay? So this is my stop here at a level and Excel. And so if this trade goes against me, I don't lose a whole 1-to-1 or 1 R on it. I essentially lose half R. And I'm A-okay with that. I am A-okay with that. So you guys can see we're not managing to trade at all. We're letting the trade do its thing. We're letting the trade do its thing. All right, so what you guys see in the little corner right there is the alert of a new trade design, right? You're setting my stop at 0.25 take profit and letting it go. That's also another way to do it. Once you are in profit, right? Set it up, let it go. Okay? So we saw an alert pop up. I want you guys to be aware that once you upgrade to Titan version 6.0, for those sitting in the back, want to check it out at trade1348.com. Do so, 7 days free. But you want to go on over to Titan AI 6.0. By the way, you got to delete all your older alerts. And you want to set new trade design, once per bar close, and extended hours. So extended hours would be 8:45 to 4 o'clock. Okay. Optimal hours will stop at noon. Ideally, you should be done trading at noon. You click OK, and then you would go ahead and create the alert. So when you create the alert, you got to drop down here. Make sure you choose Titan AI version 6.0, and then make sure you choose any alert function call. That's it. Then we create the alert. And that's all we're doing, folks. That is all we're doing. And so I would advise, for those of you who are just getting started trading, or those of you who are just getting started with the system, first off, you want a paper trade. Second off, you want to be an alerts-driven trader. You know, I hear so many people say, like, oh, I got a day job, I got a job, can I do this? Well, if you're trading off of alerts, yes, you can. You can do this. By the way, again, like I said, we don't do anything to the trade. We let it do its thing. Now, what I can do is bring my stop up. I should have... you had the 0.3 right there. Not fast enough, right? Just let the trade do what it has to do. Okay? So, we let the trade do what it has to do. You make the money, right? You're scalping, especially if you're scalping, right? It hit just above the 200. Looks like it rejected. I really don't care. My risk is managed, right? So we're not going to do too much. I want you guys to be alerts-driven traders, right? Don't manage the trade. Don't over-manage the trade. Just be alerts-driven traders, guys. There's nothing for you to do once you've set your trade plan. Absolutely nothing for you to do. There's nothing. Honestly. There is nothing. And in fact, I would dare say that many of you would be better traders if you got away from the charts, if you stopped looking at the charts. You just traded your plan, right, and played mathematics. So mathematics is you want to ideally win twice as much as you lose, right? 2-to-1 risk to reward, or well, that's risk 1 to 2 risk reward, right? Or reward risk would be 2-to-1. Okay, so we have the system here, and of course it tells you right here, guys. I have on my take profit a 0.3, right? I have here a 0.3. And it says at a 0.3, I need to win 77% of my trades. A 1-to-1, I need to win 50% of my trades. A 1.5-to-1, I need to win 40% of my trades. Now, for those of you who are seeking, right? For those of you who are seeking, you know, the 2-to-1s and 3-to-1s, just keep in mind, right, that your win rate does not drop as significantly as it does, you know, from the first 1 and 1.5-to-1. It doesn't drop as significantly. And I would argue that the frequency of the 2s and the 2.5s and the 3-to-1s hitting are not as much as a 1.5 to 1. So a lot of you are just better off taking profit at 1.5 to 1. It's just, that's it, right? That's it. Just 1.5 to 1, right? Your frequencies, right? I mean, so you'll hit 1.5 to 1 in a higher frequency than you would a 2 to 1. So we'll just go ahead and target a 1.5 to 1. All right. 6.0 is so easy. Follow the colors. Maybe stop playing the candles. Absolutely. That's another thing here, guys, is it's colorized, right? So what we're waiting for in order for this thing to go boom is we got the candles here that are green. And we finally got strength here, green. What I would like to see is Excel go green as well. And then that would give me all the confidence in the trade to let it develop and make its move. And we could see that happening right now. Okay. Again, there was nothing for us to do here, right? We just let the trade go. Now, for those who have smaller accounts, as you see, this is 2 NQ contracts. You could have played an ES contract, but I mean, it's $140. You see it right there. I mean, it's efficient. You're highly efficient. Okay, you're just highly efficient. You just like make your money. You're highly efficient. Now we got to go ahead and pay attention to that 200 right there. We always have to respect the 200. We did flirt with it this last time here, and it didn't go so well that last time. I have a little more confidence in this, given that we have strength that's green down here. And we got a green candle. We're just waiting for Excel to turn green, guys. Once that happens, then yeah, we should definitely see some movement. Okay. Let's see. Let's go ahead. Somebody asked about ES, so let's go ahead and check out ES here. And so ES is doing. Ooh, okay. So ES here is, you got gray candles, which makes this not necessarily actionable. Okay. You take the trade down. This is the money trade right here. That's your money trade. This transition, right, looks very much like NQ. And then you get the green ribbon up, right? That's cool. But right now you got gray clouds, which is indicating that we're actually inside an EMA and that we could get rejected at some point. Now, I have my EMAs off. Why? And you know what? I think a lot of you guys would do yourself well if you hit the, well, let me just show you guys here really quick. If we go into Titan 6.0, we can, well, not Titan 6.0, we go into 1348 Legends, right? And we disable the initial settings, right? 1348, 24, and the cloud, and just leave the 200 on. And the reason why I say that, guys, is because I feel like you're creating opportunities in your head that don't exist. So as long as you don't have context as to where the EMAs are, you won't be trying to fuck around and find out. More importantly, it's sort of kind of redundant because a red candle down is essentially a break away from the EMAs, right? And then a green candle up is essentially a breakaway from the EMAs. Okay, so it's redundant. It's a redundant bit of information. Big shout out to Hot Potato for making sure this happened. Right, this makes the chart cleaner, much more easier to read, and a whole lot less anticipation happening. Okay, that's really what I want. I want my traders to anticipate less and just trade the trend. Okay, that's really it. I want you to anticipate less. So this is ES right here, gray candles. What we will want to see is some green candles pop up, meaning we broke away from an EMA. That's what we want to see. Now let's just go ahead and check out NQ. Is NQ doing what I need it to do? Now NQ seems to be failing a lot right here, right? I don't know. I don't know what to do here. I mean, it seems to be failing a lot. So guys, and when I'm uncertain like this, it's a lot less about making money and it's a lot more about, you know, my risk. So there we go. My risk is nice and tight right here. And all right, good. We're up to 70. cool, right? I look forward to getting to break even. All right, and Japan took a profit on MNQ. Sweet. We broke the 200. Now we're up $300 maybe. Are we going to get a nice boom? Are we going to get, yes, it looks that way, up 340. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is simply just protect my entry and just let this trade go. Now, I probably should target this level here, as we see previous candles flirting with it. So I'm just going to target that level, and that's it. We'll be done with that trade if we get a hit there. Let's see, up $430, 450. Not trying to be greedy. There we go. We got $500 right there, and this is me trading live, guys. A lot of you guys wanted to see me trade, but trade with mortal type of money. you know, like, yeah, I'm not trading with 10 contracts, 15 contracts, or anything like that. I'm just literally showing you how to do this. Okay, Nettie, you have a great day. So you guys see here this trade, we just targeted that level. That's all we did. Nice and simple. Now let's go ahead and take a look at our reads here. What are our reads? Well, we got strength still to the upside. We got AI with our green dots and the LED bars. So guys, the LED bar is the same as our green dots here, right? I just like to know what color it is on a per candle basis. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Little E likes it. But again, this is sort of kind of redundant, but I like to see it as well. It will turn yellow once we see a loss of strength here. And so, yeah. Interesting morning. We made some money this morning, guys. So, hey. Let's see. Gilmar says, there are a lot of times where I'm hesitant to take a trade design if right at the 200. Is it bad that I will wait for the break of the 200? It's not bad that you will wait for the break of the 200. I mean, it's not bad. It's customary to wait for the break of the 200 because the 200 will act as resistance. But I found the opportunity to go ahead and just like manage my risk. Okay. Mad Mallow, take it easy, brother. So this is it. Let's go ahead and check out ES here. Let's see what's going on with ES, and then we could go ahead and look at some options alerts, right? So guys, if there are any options alerts that you're interested in that were alerted in the Discord and you want me to cover them, just let me know, and I'll cover them right here. All right. So this is ES. ES still building some momentum, trying to build the momentum. Not sure if we're quite there yet. Okay. So we'll just have to wait. I think in this instance we're gonna be almost in the same setup as we were with NQ. Well, we were pretty close to the 200 there, right? Junior, have a blessed day, sir. Have a blessed one. DePont says, yes, hanging out in between the 13 and the 48. Yeah, it's hanging out between the 13 and the 48, but we don't have context of it, right? So because it's not there, we don't have context of it. And I like it that way. I like it for you. You guys, like, oh, okay, so this is the reason why. This is the reason why we took the 1348 out for a lot of you guys as traders, especially in the Discord and in the chat. All right, can I see some hands here for every single time it breaks to 13? And you're like, yeah, I'm targeting the 24. And then you get to the 24, you start getting greedy. And then you're like, okay, I'm going to target the 48, right? And so it breaks above the 24, right? And then just dies. And then you're like, what the hell? Why did I take that trade? It was a low probability trade to begin with, right? But you were trading into the EMAs. You were trading into resistance. So that's why, sometimes it's just really not a good thing, right? Let me see. Look at, let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Okay. I love this guy. Let's see. You guys want to text me now? Okay, so let's go ahead and let's look at Nvidia, guys. What's happening with Nvidia? Wait. Yeah, I know you guys miss it. There
NVIDIA.
you go. You guys heard that? You guys remember that? Right? We'll get into Bitcoin. All right. Thanks, Tyler. You're cool. We'll do that
NVIDIA.
one more time. Let's get into Nvidia Corporation. What's happening with Nvidia? We got the split, and my God, I can finally afford Nvidia again. I can afford Nvidia again. Oh my God, look at this. All right, so we got red candles down, guys. If you're trading options, right? If you're trading options, this is actually a great way to trade options, right? So if you go ahead and you get like a trade design down, right, and you're speculating like, okay, well, trade design down. I managed to get the trade, let's say at 121, right? 121.86. You could go ahead and look for contracts that are like at your 1 to 1 or your 1.5 to 1 or your 2 to 1. Like look for contracts in these zones here, right? You know, and that's what you're doing. You're either going to be at the money or a little bit out of the money, but it's pretty awesome. Yeah, I know I could have afforded a video before the split, but man, it's just sometimes I'm just a cheapo. Like $1,000 a share, ugh, no, right? But that's how you guys could trade options, right? And of course, our options alerts give you your take profits. Have you guys seen that? Right? We have our take profits here, their potential take profits with their stop loss. So you guys are, Verizon, it's short. You guys want to go ahead and check out Coin. Looks like Coin is one of our latest alerts. Let's see what Coin is doing here. So, Coin. Wow, Coin died. That was a nice alert down, was it not? Jesus Christ, Coin. Wait, this was at 10:30 long. Okay, so we're long here with Coin. Right here. It's flickering. It's flickering, guys. Flickering with Coin. We want the trade design to close, but the previous trade design paid. Oh my God! Right? Let's go ahead and look at GME. Okay, GME. Right. Broke under 26. GME's in trouble. You guys, if you saw my tweet, we had a range for GME, which was 26 and 36. Right. We're in trouble. GME, you're in trouble. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if that was a good thing. With Ryan Kitty, one man having so much power, and causing a meme run. I don't know. That's weird. That's weird to me. That's weird to me. I don't care what his end game is. His end game should have been to take the $1 billion profit. Like seriously, that's what you should have done. Honestly, you take a billion, almost a billion. Fuck, you fucking take that kind of money. Right? Nobody else matters at that point. You go ahead and you just fucking disappear. You change your name, you fucking disappear. Nothing else matters at that point. Right? Life savings were rolling during that run up. Absolutely. Absolutely. Right? If you don't know how to trade, you should not be in this game. You're really just depending on memes and nonsense is not going to help you. But, but, yeah, we will. This was a trade down. Another trade down. Oh my God, we helped you out. We got you down here. Oh my God, forget it. This is why I am the way I am towards, social media personalities and YouTubers because they just do random shit that doesn't make any sense. Orlando, green on the day and he's done. Awesome. That's all you could want is to be green on the day. That's all you could want, honestly. And just be done. Green on a day and done. That's it. Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay. Let's get back to, let's check out NQ. What's NQ doing? Or MNQ rather. Well, NQ looks like it still wants to go. Wow. Okay. It's coming back to that level there. We have some momentum. So we're just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna play it above a level. Okay. Been a while since I've been here. Need to check out the new tools. Orlando, check it out. A lot of great new tools, man. A lot of great new tools. So let's see. I am back in NQ just for the record, and I'm going to target 19113. That's what I'm going to target, guys. All right. And so you guys notice, aside from this move and this obvious bounce, I have not gone counter trend. I want to stay with the trend today. I really want to stay with the trend today. And that seems to be pre-market highs. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's target this. And of course, guys, I'm just going to let the trade go, and then I have to set my risk. And what's my risk going to be? I think in this instance, my risk is going to be discounted. It's obviously going to be a little less than a 1-to-1. So let me just set my risk to AI here. This one right here, AI, yeah, let me just set my risk to there. And we're going to set my stop right there. Looks like we're trying to pop. My stop is set. Let's see what happens. So now my trade is set. My plan is set. I'm targeting. I am being greedy. I should be targeting the 1-to-1. I am, right? But looks like we have some momentum here. Currently up $120, $110. Again, we're trading small to win big. You guys heard me say this time and time again. We trade small to win big. That's what we do. That's what we do. If anybody's counted my money so far, you've seen me make about $2,000 live. All right. Here we go. Looks like we're coming on up to this level. Yeah, nice. Nice. All right. There's going to be a point where I don't want to choke my trade here, guys. I don't want to choke the trade, but man, Titan just sort of kind of like bailed on me. What happened there? I thought Titan moved back on me, it seems. Anyways, we'll just set my stop right there. We're in good shape here. Should I be greedy, guys, or should I set my take profit to 1995? Should I be greedy? Come on. You decide my fate. Should I be greedy, yes or no? Maybe, yeah. All right. Okay, in an instance like this, when I have no business being greedy, I should take my stop and bring it up, right? And greed is good. Oh God, greed is not good. Greed is not good. I could, yes, I can take my stop, put it right under this level here. That's what I'm gonna do. That's me being greedy. That makes me feel a little more comfortable in being greedy, right? If it stops me out, it stops me out. That makes me a little more comfortable in being greedy. And then, let's see. I'm just going to set that right there. Let's see what happens, guys. Like, it is what it is. Not gonna cry. Got stopped out real quick. Not gonna cry. We just leave it alone, and that's it, right? Okay, guys. So that's my first loss of the morning. I should just wrap things up, right? I've won more than I've lost. I'm gonna call it a morning, call it a day. Bring stop up into profit, let it play out just to take profit. Oh, that's it. That's what I did. That's what I did. So, what do we have here? I don't know. I don't know what we have here. Yeah, this is one of those instances of like you get stopped out and then it just runs on you. I'm not gonna chase. I'm gonna look for another opportunity somewhere else, and we don't have it with ES yet. So we're just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait, guys. That's all we're gonna do. We're gonna wait. Okay. So let's see. If we're looking at NQ here, I'm looking at these candles, and I'm like, wow, they're really just almost perfectly aligned, right? My initial thesis of targeting, yeah, literally just played. Let's see. This could be one of those days where the market just runs, maybe? Who knows? Strength is at 44.5. Everything's looking pretty healthy. Trend thrust tells you the trend. Basically, it smooths out price action, so you're not seeing a lot of this. Okay, so it's a smoothed out Heikinashi, if you will. Huh. Let me see. Any other questions? Any other questions? Damn, my original plan. Go to ES again. Okay, let's look at ES. NQ's going, I know, right? Alright, ES gave us a trade design here at ES, right? So, let's just see, how do we do this? Alright, this is what we're going to do with ES. We got the 200 right there. The 200 gives us a nice 2-to-1 move, right? This previous wick right here, that was the high, previous candle. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and just going to buy it here at the top of that wick. If it comes up, it fills me right there, right? I want to close, ideally a close. And guys, what you see here, I have a 0.3 there. That's that is the absolute latest I would chase a candle at 0.3. That was the absolute latest I would chase a candle. So here we go. Let's just go ahead. You got the 200 right there. Is pretty reasonable, right? Let's. All right, we got a fill. And let's set our trade design. All right, let's set our stop. There we go. So that's our trade. And we don't do anything with it. Okay. So now we don't do anything with it. You guys actually saw an example of doing too much with NQ, right or wrong. That was an example of doing way too much. And so I got stopped out, then NQ ran. So here, again, we entered the trade, and we're just letting it do its thing. That's it. Guys, there's not a whole lot of thinking going on right now. It's trade design, set my stop, set my take profit, let the trade do what it's got to do, right? If your loss is just too big, then go ahead, cut it in half by going to EMAs or something like that. Just do it that way, okay? Manage your risk, right? Make sure you trade with an amount you can stomach, and you should be all right. You should be all right. So, looks like ES is helping me make up for that stop out. I think I lost like $100 on NQ over there, right? So making up for it a little bit. There you go, up $100. Just gonna let the trade go. I'm not gonna manage this. I'm just gonna let it go. 175. Let it go. Up 200. Let it go. You guys are seeing this, right? May I ask what platform are you trading on? There you go. 300 up 300. You guys see that? You guys see that flirting? I'm trading on TradingView, and we're using custom indicators connected to Tradeovate. We're connected to Tradeovate. You gotta be fucking kidding me. All right, so that was a real aggressive move. Look at that. That was really aggressive. You know what? Let me just do this, and then we're gonna just do that. I don't really care. That was a fun little move right there. All right, someone's playing with free money on that NQ trade. Nice. All right, everyone's in profit. Trade designs are killing it today. Make sure you guys check me out at trade1348.com. Right? It is stealing. It's stealing. Right? Top step challenge. Shh. Shh. Right? I don't want them to see me coming. Shh. Okay? But yeah, it should feel like stealing. And guys, if you're thinking about, all right, Gilmar made one free. But if you're thinking about like, what does $200 mean to you, or come on, what does it mean? It should mean something, right? It should mean something. That's at $20 an hour. That's 10 hours worth of work, and we're doing it in a 5-minute candle. You guys got to respect your money, respect your port. Okay. All right. So now we have the alert come in. So the alert is a little late. Again, guys, if you were not in this trade or were not watching for it, and you got the alert, and you saw you were already at a 1-to-1, you probably shouldn't take it. Okay. Now, let's see here. I'm probably gonna just go ahead, take profit here, and see if I could get another reentry. That's what I should do. Nah, I'm just gonna hold. Right? This trade's free. Who cares? Who cares? We're making money. Are you guys having fun making money with me? Because this is easy. This is fun. Up 760, Lewis. Dope. Hey, you're oversized over there, huh? All right. So here it says, see, it's coming back to me. I retraced a whole lot on me, man. Retraced a whole lot on me. I'll take the $100. I'm not going to be greedy, right? But shit. I don't want to go ahead and close the position, knowing that I protected myself here, and then it just like bounces. So we're just going to let it do what it's got to do. If it stops me out, it stops me out, right? As fate would have it. What to invest in today? I use trading 212 to, I don't know what the fuck. I'm not a financial advisor, dude. I don't invest. I trade. I'm a trader. Not financial advice. Alright, looks like I got stopped out here. Now, let's see if it comes down, if it retraces for a re-entry. That'd be sweet, right? This is, again, guys, it came down to my little, remember we got the alert here and it came down to the 0.3? Oh, fuck, let's see. Alright, I'm just right there. Let's go. Let's see. Alright, let's see it go. There you go. It came back to my 0.3 there. And let's just take it to the 200 right there, right? That's what we're gonna do. And then let's see, where's my stop's gonna be? Probably right here underneath this candle. So let's go ahead and set the stop. I could scalp this, right? We could start getting to some scalping. But if I'm going to scalp, I should probably scalp in Q. Let's see. We'll set the stop right there. And we're good. So, Mike says, I'm done for the day in deep green, so going to watch the new Bad Boys. Nice! Enjoy. Need a video on how to set up alerts. Really? Okay, I'll try. Oh no, looks like ES is failing on me. Eat the rich. Let's see. What's the difference between trading and investing? I think you should chat GPT that question. The difference between trading and investing. Alright guys, it's been fun. we've hung out for about 45 minutes. I now have one-on-ones to do over at Longevity Club. If you guys want to go ahead, I believe I have one more seat in Longevity Club. So if that's something you want to do, reach out to Diana. Otherwise, get your asses on over to Trade Camp. We have July, August, and then we got Hawaii in September. That's going to be fun. Now, Apple fighting with NVIDIA for market cap crown. Yeah, trillion-dollar companies. Oh, but check this out. Check this out, guys. Right? Well, I'm about to follow myself. NVIDIA employees, per employee, they're worth about $100 million a piece. Per employee. $100 million a piece. That's wild. That's wild. What you need me to wait for? He was like, no, leave right now. Hey, got people counting on me. They want education. They want proper education. Education that you're only going to find at Trade 1348. Check out that link. You get 7 days free. You get these awesome indicators that actually make you money. And you don't have to count on some like YouTuber and their memes and their fucking kitty cats and squeaky ducks and, you know, whatever. Whatever. You don't have to wait. You don't have to do any of that. Right? Right? That's what they're worth, though. That's what they're worth, over 100 million. Ah, that's insane, right? I believe each Apple employee generates about like $2 million worth of revenue. Lewis, hire you for $500K? What? No, 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 no. That's a lot. It does work. You're welcome. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and close my position. I think I've made enough money this morning, right? You guys saw me make the money. You saw me make it live. You know, haters are going to hate. Trolls are going to be trolls. Like, oh, you don't trade live. You know, you could just sit on there and rotate. System works. We make money. Dirt simple. What you guys learned today? Not to overcomplicate the trade. You set it, you forget it, take your money. Right? Take your money, which I think I'm supposed to do. That's what I'm supposed to do. Alright, I'm going to take my money here. So, peace, guys. We're signing out. Later! Who's doing a one-on-one with me at 11? Who's doing? Show yourselves! Who's doing the 11 o'clock one-on-one with me? Man, yeah, I am a G. Always been a G. Alright. Peace out, guys. Don't play with the trades. If you feel like playing, go play with something else. Go play with something else. I'm out. Later.